So I want to run in the snow, and this goes nowhere in the snow with the tires that are on now. So that's why I picked up these Power Hobby Roosters 2.8s. So it comes with everything from 12 millimeter to 14 millimeter and 17 millimeter also. You do get 2 sets of 12 millimeter, and the reason why you get 2 is you get a different offset. This one is a 1/2 inch offset. This is a 0 offset. We're gonna go with the 1/2 inch offset just to give it a little wider stance. Now, because they're plastic, you never want to run them all the way in with power tool. You run them most of the way in and then finish it up by hand, or you'll strip them out. So one done, let's do the other one. So I have the Integy skis that I'm gonna throw on the Gorgon. So this is everything that comes with the Integy ski kit. It doesn't come with instructions, but I did a little bit of research and I figured out how it goes together. And that's the one side, and you do the same for the other. Now these hexes are machined out for 12 millimeters. Luckily, I'm running a 12 millimeter hex. Oh, check it out. It looks awesome. So there's one more thing we have to do, because these are just gonna flop around, and that's what these are for. So now we have to put these brackets on. It goes right there. So I got them on. They're not on like they're supposed to be. These aren't made for a Gorgon. They're made for a granite voltage. The steering knuckle is going to be a little bit different than on the Gorgon. That little bracket didn't work how I wanted it to. It's actually supposed to go on the top. It doesn't line up on the top, but I noticed that if I put it on the bottom, it does line up. So I had to flip the screw around and put it underneath, which doesn't leave me much of a screw in the top part of the steering knuckle there to hold that link in there. Hey, whatever works. Sometimes you just have to improvise. I think it looks awesome. I can't wait to go shred this sled in the snow. Let's go. Oh, that's my GoPro. Well, it doesn't like soft snow. It needs the packed down snow. The soft snow, it goes nowhere, it just spins. When you're out on the harder packed snow, it really wants to go. Now I'm running 2S only because my only 3S battery for this is toast. So I would have liked to see this run on 3S. I have to make this video now because even though we have the snow and ice here today, it's supposed to get warmed up. So the skis are working pretty good. Can turn with them, see the response there. I mean, it does have a little understeering there, but this is pretty cool. I think this is the first Gorgon with skis on, probably because these skis aren't made for the Gorgon. You know what? I wonder if I could like do some water skiing with this once it melts. Watch for that video. Maybe I'll try it when this all melts. See if we could do some hydroplaning and go across the water with these paddle tires and the skis. That would be pretty cool. Definitely gonna, oh, I broke through there a little bit. Look at that roosting. The roosters are roosting. Ooh, I'm in the soft snow over there. See what I mean? It has to be like a pretty hard snowpack. I have one more spot I saw over there, a little bit more. I'm gonna walk over there. Maybe the ice is packed down a little bit harder and maybe I can get some better running, but it didn't do too bad here. I don't know. There's a lot more ice over here. More ice than snow. these paddle tires, they're not that good on ice. So there is a little bit of snow over there. That looks a little too deep. It's frozen all the way to the dam. This is the run up I did when I jumped the dam with my X-Max. I'll put that video up in the corner there if you want to check that out. That's 100 feet from the top to the bottom. Yeah, that snow's getting deep there. The Gorgon is working to get through it. Probably not a good choice to come over this way, but you don't know until you try. Apologize for the wind. It's always windy here at the dam. Oh, it looks like, oh, I'm in low voltage. I think I was using the battery a little too much. Looks like we might have an eagle up there. Eagle or an osprey? Oh yeah, I can see the markings on the wing. It's definitely an osprey. Anyway, back to RCs. This is not a nature channel, although I do enjoy nature. So a quick little reset. We're back to full power. I think it's because it was working so hard through the deep stuff. Ice is just too rough. Things bouncing around. All right, new spot. I think we found our spot. Look, there's just enough snow that the skis will work, but it's low enough that the roosters will dig in. Just gotta watch out for all the sticks. Oh, well, I'm at low voltage now, so this is all the faster I can go. But I did have fun experimenting with this. I'll leave a link to the skis in the description. Now, you know that these are not made for this. If you have an Arma Granite Voltage, these are made for that. I'll put a link to these skis for the Voltage down in the description, and then I'll put a link for the Roosters in the description as well. But that'll do it for this video, but that is not the end of the Gorgon on skis. Hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.